Hey you! Have you ever looked at a bird moshing or waddling along and thought to yourself, if that bird had a long mop of hair or perhaps a perm bobbing about, life would be a bit better? You're not alone, my friend. Just when you thought fashion culture couldn't get any more diverse. All Fauna Fashion, the magazine that brings you a plethora of animal fashion tips and tricks every month. This issue will be covering the swooping craze of bird do's. Face it, most birds just aren't that cool to look at. And wigs are the solution, full of all the information you need to be the squawk of the town. From its side-to-side waddle, its rigorous headbanging, or its graceful budgie bobbing, there's a wig for every bird. All Fauna Fashion, the magazine with so many issues, but in this case, it's a good thing. Subscribe now!